Friends, I'm Shailja, your science teacher. In the previous lecture, we have studied about different types of fiber and wool yielding animals. Today, let's study the process of obtaining wool from sheep. It involves the 6 steps. The step 1 is shearing, second step is scoring, then sorting, burr separation, dyeing, spinning. So let's discuss each one by one. So first step is shearing. Shearing means the removal of the fleece of the sheep along with the thin layer of skin, or we can say that the removal of the woolly covering. Shearing doesn't hurt the sheep because the uppermost layer of the skin is dead. It is something like when a person shaves, he doesn't feel pain, or when you get your hair cut, you don't feel pain because hair don't have nerves, right? Secondly, this shearing is done usually in summers so that animal may survive without the protective coat of hair. In the previous lecture, I already told you that these hair keep animals warm in winters. So it is done in summer. Now, this shearing is done with a pair of scissors or machines. I will show you the picture. Here, this is shearing machine. This person is shaving this sheep, right? Now, after shearing, what should be done? This sheared skin might have dust, dirt, or grease with it. So, washing is required. So, the second step is scoring. In scoring, sheared skin is washed and washed with soap or detergents in tanks. This scoring removes dirt, dust, and grease from the sheared skin. It is done manually or with machine. I'll show you here. See, here this person is scoring this sheared skin manually, and here it is done with machines. So this sheared hair of sheep is cleaned by washing with soap, detergent, or lot of water. Right? Now, after scoring, the third step is sorting. What is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means to separate. These hair are mixed according to their different types of textures and quality. Some some are fine hair, some are rough hair, some short and longer hair. So they need to be separated. This is called sorting. So sorting is the separation of hair of different types and texture. The hairy skin is sent to a factory where hair of different textures are to be separated. I'll show you how. See, here the separation of hair of different types of types and textures is going on. So these persons are called sorters, those who do the job of sorting. One thing is important here. These sorters' job is very risky job because sometimes they get infected by bacteria called anthrax, which cause a deadly blood disease. That disease is called Sorter's disease. From where this bacteria comes, sometimes they are sorting the wool of animal who is infected. So They come in contact with this bacteria and it enters in the body and it causes disease. So their job is risky, right? Now after sorting, what is to be done? Next step is burr separation. Burrs. Burrs are the small fluffy fibers. Sometimes these burrs appear on your woolen clothes. So these fluffy fibers present in the hair, to these are to be separated. These are to be picked up and to be separated. After the separation of burrs, the hair scored again. They washed and dried. Right? After burr separation, these hairs are to be, they are sent to for dyeing. So we know the natural hair of sheep is white, brown and black. So white fiber can be dyed in different colors. Okay, I'll show you the dyeing process is going on. So here, these are the different colors are present and the hairs are, they are dyeing the hairs in different colors. The next is after dyeing, the wool is ready to be drawn into fibers. Okay. Now last step is spinning. The raw fibers then straightened, combed and rolled into yarn. Okay. Fiber is straightened, then combed. उनको straight किया जाता है, they combing की जाती है and then they rolled into yarn. They are then spun and woven into fabric. We get longer yarn and shorter yarn. Longer yarn are used to make sweaters and shorter are used to make woolen clothes like shawls. Right? So these are the 6 steps of processing of wool. So let's recapitulate the whole discussion. I will recapitulate it. See, we have studied about the processing of wool. The first step is shearing. In shearing, the removal of the woolly covering along with the thin layer of the skin. Okay. Now after shearing, scoring. Scoring means washing the sheared skin with hair. Next is sorting. Now the different types of hair are to be separated. That this is called sorting. Then burr separation. Small fluffy fibers are separated. This is called burr separation. Then dyeing. The white fiber can be dyed in different colors. And after that spinning. Raw fibers then straightened and combed and rolled into yarn. So we get the yarn. At last we get the yarn. I'll show you the picture here. So this is the yarn. We get finally this product. Okay, these are the steps of processing of wool. Right? Okay, thank you.